Hey guys, today we would like to explain you how you mount the new RR kit on our on the 990 or 950 Adventure. You get the screen from us. You get the LED lights with the OEM plug already, and you get the plexiglass cover for the screen. Of course, you get the mounting hardware. The first step, you need to remove the OEM screen headlight. It's quite easy. You just dismount this six bolts on the screen. The last one, and it's done. So you have this one down. Keep the bolts. And now on each side of fairing is good to use this two, and the third one is more comfortable when you use him. Now there is a small trick. You need to take these fairings aside. Yeah, and first between these two holes you take it and you need to hook it like this. On the other side do the same, and then you just lift it out and disconnect the OEM light. This. Now you take the screwdriver and you have to release the 4 bolts to get out the OEM headlight, because you need this black plastic cover to put back, but we will come later to it. Okay, so now we can start mounting the support bracket. First you need to take this small one. You have 2 M6 bolts, and here below the tacho speedometer there is an OEM bracket. There are 4 holes, so you need to use these 2 upper ones. Yeah. Now we take the headlight in the bracket. Just to be clear, in case something happened, the shorter light, it's a high beam and it goes up to the upper position, and the longer one, it's low beam and it goes to the lower position. Here you can see, if you release these 2 bolts always, the bottom bolts, you can move the direction of the light up and down. Yeah, it's good to adjust it based on your weight, if you have the cases on the bike and so on. First, what is comfortable here, first connect the OEM socket plug. Prepare it, it's very easy. You take 1 bolt here, then to the low holder. Use this secure washer, or how is it called in English, I don't know, and standard washer. Yeah, and again, there is not much space on left side. You can disconnect or displace this electrical stuff, and again with finger play, but it's fine. You use this one, and the same on the other side. Then you tight, and you are actually done. You can try if it works or not. Yeah, so just the standard setup. Low beam is on. Both engines are on a high beam. The high beam is it's switching on. Yeah. So now we can go off, and now you can mount it back actually. So you go back to this OEM plastic panel. It's always reverse the trick. First put it there on top, and then you hook one side. You hook the other side. Just make sure here it fits correctly. Now we take the carbon. You place it on. Start with one hole, always one by one, and don't tie it at the beginning. The carbon screen is done all manual work. Everything drilled manually, so it will be never as precise as CNC part or injection part. Yeah, so keep in mind and be careful that you don't lose the rubber nuts under the screen, because then you have to remove everything and you do it again and again. Yeah. Actually, the last operation is to put on the plexi cover. There are 4 rubber nuts, M4. You place them into these 4 holes. The plexi cover, you get 2, so one is spare. You peel it off. When you tie it, do it very carefully because it's plexiglass and it's quite fragile. Yeah, so don't over tight, please. And the magic comes here. Yeah, so with high beam. So guys, this is actually your bike with a RADE look, strong LED lights, and because the windshield is bent to the front, so you have way more space for the navigation stuff, which is quite important on adventure riding or hobby rallies. Yeah. So enjoy, guys.